Who's heard of biohacking? A handful of people. So biohacking is super popular because we're actually disconnected from nature. If we just remove the gadgets, biohacking is just reconnecting to our natural selves. Circadian rhythm, food timing, sleep, fasting, movement, right? Before biohacking, I was in San Diego and I learned about being barefoot. Who's here has learned about grounding, earthing, being barefoot? Yeah, at least half of you. So I was driving down the street, and I saw this. It was 15, 16 years ago, I think, and I saw this sign on the back of the car that was like, "Get free antioxidants from the earth." I was like, what? I was like, antioxidants are supposed to be good for me, and they're free? I should go check this out. So I actually called the number on the back of the car, and they're like, "We got a booth at this health thing. Come and check it out." So I drove straight there. I was in Encinitas, California, North County, San Diego. Drove this health event, and I went to find this booth. I was on a mission. I'm like, man, I want these free antioxidants. I ain't got to pay for them. I know antioxidants are good. They're going to help reduce inflammation. They're going to help me be stronger and healthier, help me live longer. So I go to the booth, and they have this grounding mat, an earthing mat. It's basically just connected to the earth, right? And they're scanning. They have some kind of thermography machine where they're scanning the inflammation in your body. And they'll scan the inflammation and show you how much inflammation you have, very red in various parts. And then you get barefoot on this earthing mat, and all of a sudden that inflammation goes away. And then you get off, inflammation, get on, inflammation goes away. And I thought, what is this trick you guys are doing here? You know, what is this magic trick thing you guys have? And they said, no, all we're doing is connecting you to the earth. If you go barefoot on the earth, you don't even need this device. Just barefoot on the earth, it connects you to the electrons of the earth that are natural antioxidants that reduce your inflammation. So until we design these rubber shoes, which again disconnect us from the earth, human beings have always been connected to the earth. And guess what? They also didn't have so many of these chronic inflammatory diseases that we have today. Isn't that interesting? So now you can buy grounding mats and earthing mats. You can actually sleep on them. At my desk when I work, I have one, and it literally just plugs in to the earth. And so I'm barefoot all day when I'm working, so I'm getting grounded there. We have an earthing mat when we're sleeping, so I'm being grounded. So constantly reducing the inflammation, trying to connect to nature, even while in our modern society, we can do that. That's kind of a form of biohacking, right? But biohacking, to me, more than biohacking, it's just reconnecting ourselves back to nature as much as possible if we want to live and thrive for years to come. So you guys heard of this guy, right? Albert Einstein said, look deep into nature and you will understand everything better.
Hey there, vegan family. Thank you so much for watching our video clip. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tell all your family and friends. We really want to help this channel grow, so that would be amazing. And also, if you really, really liked it and you'd like to purchase the entire video, you can head to the link in our description box below and you can purchase this video or get the collection from the cruise. So thanks again for watching. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and also hope we get to see you aboard the ship very soon. Aloha. Whoop, 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 whoop.